Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn Unit 7 Financial Arithmetic, and today in this video we will do question 5 of exercise 7.1. In this question we have to find the value of the following: 15% of rupees 2000. First we write solution, then we write the question as it is, and we have to find 15% of 2000. So we write 2000 and multiply by 15 and divide it by 100, because percent means divided by 100. So 2000 multiplied by 15 divided by 100. 0, we can cancel out 0 by 0. 2 zeros by 2 zeros. Now what we have left? 20 multiplied by 15. 20 multiplied by 15 is 300. So 15% of 2000 of rupees 2000 is equals to rupees 300. Now part D, 7 whole number 1/2% of rupees 1600. We write solution, and first we write question as it is. Then first we solve this mixed fraction. So 2 multiplied by 7 plus 14 plus 1 is 15. So 15/2% of rupees 1600. We have to find 15/2% of rupees 1600. So we write 1600 and multiply by 15/2. We have to find percentage, which means that we have to divide it by 100. So we write 15/2 divided by 100, because we have a number of percent in fraction. So that's why we write its fraction and then write divided by 100. Now 1600 multiplied by 15/2, and there is no number, which means there is 1. And when we change division sign into multiplication sign, we reciprocal the second fraction. So 100/1, when we reciprocal 100/1, it will be 1/100. Now we can cancel out 2 and 1600. So 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16, and 0, 0. We write 0 as it is. So 800 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 1/100. Now 800 multiplied by 15 is 12,000. Multiplied by 1/100. We can cancel out 0 by zeros. Now what we have left? 120 multiplied by 1. So 120 ones are 120. Now 7 whole number 1/2% of rupees 1600 is rupees 120. Now question number 6 of this exercise is 16% of a number is 64. We have to find the number. 16% of any number is 64, and we have to find that number. So first we write solution. 16% of a number is 64. Let's suppose the number be A. We suppose number A. So 16% of A is equals to 64. So A multiplied by 16/100 is equals to 64. We have to find the value of A. So first we transpose this 100 to right hand side. Here this 100 is divided by 16, and when we transpose it to the right hand side, it will be multiplied by 100. So A multiplied by 16 is equals to 64 multiplied by 100. Now A multiplied by 16 is 16A, is equals to 64 multiplied by 100 is 6400. Now we have to find the value of A, so we have to transpose 16 to the right hand side, Here 16 is multiplying by A, and when we transpose it to the right hand side, it will be divided by 6400. So A is equals to 6400 divided by 16. Now 16 ones are 16, 16 fours are 64, and 0, 0. Now A is equals to 400. So the number is 400. So 16% of 400 is 64. Now question number 13 of this exercise is, in a class of 40 students, 5% are absent. What is the number of absentees? Total student in a class is 40. Percentage of absentees is 5%. And we have to find the number of absentees. So we just have to find the 5% of 40 to find the number of absentees. So 40 multiplied by 5, and for percentage divided by 100. 0, we can cancel out 0 by 0. Now we have 4 multiplied by 5 upon 10. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So the answer is 2, which means that 2 students are absent. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.